Looking to maximize comfort and functionality in a compact space? The top 5 best convertible folding sofas offer the perfect blend of style, versatility, and space-saving design. Whether for lounging, sleeping, or entertaining guests, these smart sofa solutions transform effortlessly to suit your lifestyle and decor. Number 1. Hansones 3-in-1 Folding Convertible Sofa. The Hansones 3-in-1 Folding Convertible Sofa is a stylish, multifunctional piece of furniture perfect for maximizing space in small apartments, RVs, basements, or any area needing flexible seating. Seamlessly transforming from a 70-inch wide sofa into a queen-size bed, a double sofa, or a lounge chair, it adapts to your needs with ease. The adjustable backrest offers 3 reclining angles, ensuring a personalized comfort experience for lounging, reading, or sleeping. One standout feature is the 3-in-1 functional armrest, which includes built-in charging ports, 2 USB-A, 1 Type-C. Cup holders, and hidden storage ideal for keeping essentials like books and remotes organized. Additionally, the sofa incorporates 2 large hidden storage spaces in the armrests, perfect for storing blankets and pillows. Adding to its innovation, the built-in 360 degrees rotating side table provides a versatile surface for work or drinks, easily swiveling out of the way when not in use. Wrapped in soft, skin-friendly chenille fabric with a tufted design and high-density foam, this convertible sofa blends comfort with modern aesthetics, making it a smart addition to any home. Number 2. Homfine Convertible Folding Sofa. The Homfine Convertible Folding Sofa is a versatile and ergonomic solution for compact living spaces and on-the-go comfort. This multifunctional floor sofa seamlessly transitions into a recliner, chaise lounge, bed, or futon, making it ideal for reading, gaming, watching movies, or accommodating unexpected overnight guests. Its ergonomic design conforms to your body's natural curves, while the included supportive pillow enhances lower back comfort during extended use. Crafted with high-quality, breathable, and skin-friendly fabric, the sofa offers a soft, cozy surface for lounging or sleeping. Its pull-out structure eliminates the need for assembly, simply unfold and relax. Side pockets add a convenient touch, providing space for storing phones, books, or magazines. When not in use, the Homfine sofa folds into a compact size, perfect for storing in closets or under beds to save floor space. The removable, machine-washable cover, complete with a smooth U-shaped zipper, ensures easy cleaning and long-term durability. Lightweight and portable, this folding sofa is ideal for dorms, RVs, small apartments, camping, or yoga, providing both functionality and comfort in any setting. Number 3. Philux Convertible Folding Sofa. The Philux Convertible Folding Sofa combines comfort, convenience, and modern design, making it an ideal solution for small spaces like studios, dorms, RVs, and loft apartments. Crafted with high-density foam, this foldable sleeper sofa offers a soft, uniform feel that rebounds quickly and resists deformation, ensuring long-lasting support. The breathable, stylish fabric is removable and washable, making maintenance simple and hassle-free. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the adjustable backrest contours to the body's natural curve, while included pillows provide extra lumbar support for enhanced relaxation. Whether you're lounging, reading, working, or accommodating a guest, this sofa easily converts into a lounge chair or a mattress to suit your needs. Assembly is a breeze, no tools are required. Just unfold it for instant use. Smooth, durable zippers allow for quick disassembly and cleaning, and its foldable design makes it easy to store or transport. A clever hidden storage function adds practicality, helping maximize your living space. Individually packaged and thoughtfully designed, the Philux Convertible Sofa is both a practical and stylish gift option for family or friends. Number 4. Demafram Convertible Folding Sofa. The Demafram Convertible Folding Sofa offers a perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and versatility, making it an excellent addition to any modern living space. Designed as a 3-seat oversized floor sofa, it effortlessly transforms into a spacious king-size bed, 78.5-inch LX74W x 18.25H, ideal for lounging, napping, or accommodating overnight guests. The adjustable armrests provide personalized relaxation, while non-slip pads underneath ensure stability on any surface. Crafted with breathable pinstripe corduroy and filled with high-density foam, this sofa bed delivers plush comfort while relieving pressure on your body. Included plush pillows enhance the cozy experience, making it a welcoming spot for daily lounging or weekend movie marathons. Assembly is a breeze, no tools required. Just unbox, unfold, and lightly tap to help the segments regain their full shape, with complete revival taking up to 72 hours. Its elegant, foldable design doubles as a floor couch, oversized love seat, double chaise, or futon sofa bed, making it perfect for small apartments, living rooms, or guest areas. The Convertible Folding Sofa redefines multifunctional seating with both style and ease. Number 5. MiRoyalSit 2-in-1 Convertible Folding Sofa. The MiRoyalSit 2-in-1 Convertible Folding Sofa is a space-savvy, multifunctional gem ideal for compact living. Seamlessly transitioning from a modern love seat to a spacious sleeper, 83-inch L x 43.5 W, it comfortably supports up to 600 pounds, making it perfect for lounging during the day or hosting overnight guests. Its high-density foam cushions and ergonomic design ensure all-day relaxation, whether you're sitting, reclining, or sleeping. Designed with small spaces in mind, this 51-inch wide sofa bed fits effortlessly into apartments, studios, dorms, or guest rooms. Despite its compact size, it doesn't skimp on function, offering built-in side storage pockets and 2 decorative pillows for added comfort and convenience. Durability meets style with its premium chenille fabric, which is removable and easy to clean, great for busy households or rental spaces. A non-slip bottom keeps the sofa stable during use, and solid wood legs lend modern elegance and support. With 60% of the setup already done, it assembles in just 30 minutes using the included tools. The MiRoyalSit Love Seat Sleeper is the ideal blend of smart design, comfort, and contemporary flair.